हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम रिकॉल करेंगे एनआईसीटी 2021 का मई प्लस नवंबर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द ब्रांचेस ऑफ एंटीरियर डिवीजन ऑफ द इंटरनल इलियक आर्टरी? सुपीरियर ग्लूटेल आर्टरी, इंफीरियर ग्लूटेल आर्टरी, सुपीरियर वेसिकल आर्टरी, मिडिल रेक्टल आर्टरी, इंफीरियर वेसिकल आर्टरी, वेजाइनल आर्टरी। सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द गिवन बिलो कोड। इसमें कौन कौन सा सही है वो बताना है। इसका आंसर है सी। 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Internal iliac artery divides the into anterior and posterior trunk at the superior border of the greater sciatic foramen. Branches of anterior trunk of the internal iliac artery, obturator artery, superior vesical artery, inferior gluteal artery, middle rectal artery, vaginal artery, uterine artery, internal pudendal artery. Question number 2. A 6-month-old boy was brought to the casualty with seizures. The pediatrician does CSF sampling through the marked structure. What are the structures punctured by the pediatrician? A. Scalp, epicranium, endocranium, dura. B. Scalp, dura, arachnoid. C. Pericranium, dura, arachnoid. D. Scalp, synchondral membrane, dura, arachnoid. इसका आंसर है बी, pericranium, dura, arachnoid. The marked structures in the image is anterior frontanel. The structures pierced in ventricular tapping are scalp, dura, and arachnoid. A 25 gauge butterfly needle is inserted through the anterior lateral aspect of the anterior fontanelle, away from the midline, avoiding the superior sagittal sinus. Question number 3. Which of the following are branches of anterior division of the internal iliac artery? Superior gluteal artery, inferior gluteal artery, superior vesical artery, middle rectal artery, inferior vesical artery, vaginal artery. Select the incorrect answer from the given code below. इसका आंसर है बी। The 9 branches of the anterior division of the internal iliac artery may be more easily remembered in this division. 3. Urinary, umbilical artery, superior vesical artery, inferior vesical artery. 3. Visceral, uterine artery, vaginal artery, middle rectal artery. 3. Parietal, obturator artery, internal pudendal artery, inferior gluteal artery. Branches of posterior division, iliolumbar artery, lateral sacral artery, superior gluteal artery. Question number 4. In a subclavian artery block at the outer border of first rib, which of the following arteries help in maintaining the circulation of the to the upper limb? Suprascapular artery, superior thoracic artery, thyrocervical trunk, subscapular artery. Select the correct answer from the given below code. इसका आंसर है बी। 1, 3 and 4. A rich anastomosis exists around the scapula between branches of the subclavian artery and the axillary artery. This anastomosis provides a collateral circulation through which blood can flow to the limb when the distal part of the subclavian artery or the proximal part of axillary artery is blocked. Question number 5. Most specific complication if the central line is inserted below this bone. A. Empyema. B. Thrombophlebitis. C. Chylothorax. D. Arterial injury. इसका आंसर है डी, arterial injury. Arterial puncture or injury is the most common, while cardiac tamponade is the most fatal complication of central venous catheterization. Question number 6. A male patient who has already taken the first dose of COVID vaccine comes for the second dose. The health worker then noticed that his shoulder was flat, flabby, and looked asymmetrical due to loss of contour. Which of the following structures would have been injured to lead to this scenario? A. Deltoid, B. Rotator cuff, C. Lateral cutaneous nerve of arm, D. Posterior circumflex artery. इसका आंसर है A. Deltoid. The deltoid given scenario is typical for shoulder dislocation. On examination, there is often an asymmetry with the contralateral side. Often there is a loss of shoulder contours from a flattened deltoid, and an anterior bulge from the head of the humerus may also be seen. It is important to access the neurovascular status of the arm, which can become compromised in some cases, especially the axillary and suprascapular nerves. Question number 7. A patient with a fall from a height was treated with a cast. After removal of the cast, he was not able to walk properly, unable to lift his leg, and was dragging his right leg while walking. Which of the following marked structure is involved? Answer is A. This one. The case scenario points to a possible injury to gluteus medius, which is causing lurching gait and dragging of feet in the patient. Dissected right gluteal region has been shown in the image. Piriformis muscle, sciatic nerve, gluteus medius, superior gluteal nerve, additional belly of piriformis muscle, abductors of hip are gluteal medius and minimus, tensor fascia lata, and sartorius. The left gluteal region are reflecting gluteus maximus muscle. The figure, the left gluteal region after reflecting gluteus maximus muscle. Common fibular nerve, tibial nerve, inferior gluteal vessels, piriformis muscle, gluteus medius, quadratus femoris muscle, gluteus maximus muscle, and sciatic nerve. Question number 8. The following cell marked A as A is inhibitory to vestibular nuclei, deep nuclei of cerebellum, C. Anterior horn of spinal cord, D. Basal ganglia. इसका आंसर है B. Deep nuclei of cerebellum. Deep nuclei of cerebellum cell marked as A is Purkinje cell in cerebellar cortex and it is inhibitory to deep cerebellar nuclei. Axons of Purkinje cells are inhibitory. They project to and inhibit the deep cerebellar nuclei. Question number 9. Fibers from the labeled structure end in which thalamic nuclei? A. Anterior, B. Ventrolateral, C. Median, D. Posterior medial. इसका आंसर है A. Anterior. Anterior mammillary body has been shown in the labeled image. Fibers from the mammillary body end in anterior thalamic nuclei. Question number 10. Inferior thyroid artery supplies which of these parts? Thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, esophagus, thymus. Select the correct answer from the given below code. इसका आंसर है D. One, all. The inferior thyroid artery is the principal blood supplier to the of the thyroid glands. Supply the lower half. The ITA gives rise to ascending cervical artery, the inferior laryngeal artery, and also gives pharyngeal, tracheal, and esophageal branches. Also, the ITA supplies the four parathyroid glands. Question number 11. What is the embryological origin of the marked structure? A. Common cardinal vein, B. Subcardinal vein, C. Sacrocardinal vein, D. Supracardinal vein. इसका आंसर है D. Supracardinal vein. A zygous vein is shown in the image above and it develops from the supracardinal vein. Question number 12. Third part of the vertebral artery is related to which of the following? A, B, C and D. इसका आंसर है B.